Alright guys, Salty Badger here. This is my first time posting kind of like a premiere video. I'm kind of a hobby builder. I haven't really done this, but I kind of get into watching all you guys' other vlogs and seeing what's going on out there. So, decided to slow down a little bit. Usually I'm full bore, doing the build, doing whatever, trying to get things done, that I don't slow down video things. I think I'm going to try to share a few things with you guys along the way. Although, the couple things I got going on right now. I got this build here, which is covered. And this build over here, it's partially done. It's kind of my domain, a little workshop I have, kind of place. I guess I can call it a studio. But, and then also, we got some Barnett cables that we got to put on. After that, the build on the hoist should be ready to fire up and put oil in. I've become a little OCD about my work area. I did spend about a half hour cleaning it before I filmed the video, a little bit, straightening it up, because I do that every time before I come out to do some work. Kind of new to this, so you know, I don't like all the drama, but I don't do a bunch of social media. I pretty much just like hanging out on bikes and working on them. If I can't ride them, I can work on them. Because me, like, my mental health time is sitting in here working on the bikes, trying to figure out things, recording from my phone right now, because I haven't got the new camera set up or anything, not going big time. Just seeing what's out there, seeing how you guys are doing, trying to bring some light in, maybe bounce some ideas off some guys. I got a few builds in mind. Haven't made any shows this year because I've been busy and trying to get a few things done. My son's build is the one on the hoist. That's been a big chore. It's pretty exciting. We're kind of waiting for a big show to reveal it and put it out there. We've been very hard not to put anything out on social media, even for him, because he's pretty proud of it. It's turned out way above our expectations, and kind of really excited to do the reveal, see how it does. I've done a few other chopper builds, things like that. Just kind of went a different area. Asked him how he wanted to do it, let him design it, and he helped me build it, and we set it all up, and well, the parts kept rolling in, and pretty soon it gets that way. I'll take these parts over to our makeshift parts bench. Sorry about video quality as I move around. That's about all we got left on the parts bench. So soon we'll get it all up on there and put away. And kind of show you a little bit tour around the domain. Not real big, but hey, doesn't have to be a big shop for things to turn out good. Just got to take your time at them. And really, I get, you know, I like positive. That's why I do this. It's for positive. I don't need the negativity. If I wanted negativity, I use social media all the time. This is more just a way for me to lay back, relax, and share some of the stuff I do. See what other people think of it, you know. It's always good to bounce ideas off people and see how things are going. I see a lot of good vlogs out there. I mean, there's a lot of people out there that I watch their YouTube, and they really get a kick out of it, you know. They do a lot of good stuff. You see a lot of good builds come out of small builders. Maybe one day we can get some big builds, but right now we're just kind of doing some small stuff, seeing how it goes, modifications, things like that. My wife's bagger, that was fun. You know, it's just different stuff, you know. Don't do it for the fame or anything. It's more just a self-enjoyment of doing it in my part. You guys have a good night, and there'll be more to follow. Thanks.